What's up? Welcome back to Picky Garage. If you are tuning in for the first time, welcome, and thank you for checking out my channel. Today I'm going to do a review of the MTM Hydros foam cannon. This is like the top tier foam cannon, the best foam cannon that you can buy, that money can buy. And they actually reached out to me and they were nice enough to give me a 10% off all their products. I actually use a lot of their couplings. So these are all quick detach. You can see MTM Hydro. That's the stainless steel gun. MTM bent wand, perfect for washing your cars. All their nozzles and everything. I use all their parts because it's some of the best rated parts. So you can use PICKY10 for 10% off anything on their store. But I'm going to go ahead and show you guys in-depth review of this thing. So it stands up to 5,000 psi, 140 degrees Fahrenheit. So if you want to put any type of chemical in here, if you're doing chemical washing for driveways or sidewalks, even patios, concrete, and you want to spray solution on that, or if you're just using it for your vehicle, this is a great foam cannon. It's made of all high quality parts, all stainless steel in here, so it doesn't have to, or you don't have to worry about rust. A nice 100 milliliter bottle that sits nice and flush. The plastic is a very thick plastic, so it can withstand a lot of different chemicals. The build quality is great, so you can also turn this vertical and horizontal. You can change the width of the spray as well. You can also change the intensity, plus or minus on this guy. I've been using this foam cannon for 2 years and it still works like brand new. Only thing that I've changed is I put a 1.1 millimeter orifice in this guy just to make the foam thicker. One thing that I've noticed with this, it does a great job of spraying foam equally distributed on vehicles. It doesn't leak. That's another plus that I've noticed, that other foam cannons that are cheaper do leak. Like I said, this is the top tier foam cannon. I've been using it for years and it's my go-to foam cannon. Yeah, so pretty much how I use it is I fill it up with 2 ounces, pretty much 2 pumps of any type of foam solution that you might have. That can be Adams Mega Foam, Chemical Guys Gloss Works, Chemical Guys Snow Foam. That's what I use because I have a big 1 gallon bottle of it. Also, everything that I use is always in the description of my videos. If you guys want to check it out and pick it up, it's always there. You can find all my products, pressure washer, wands, foam cannons, buckets, everything. Yeah, so this does a great job. I also put my wheel cleaner in this as well to foam up my wheels. I use PNS Brake Buster for that. This does a great job of distributing the wheel cleaner to the wheels for cleaning your car. Also, if you want to know how to clean your car, I do a whole bunch of videos on that as well. Yeah, so I fill this up with about 3 ounces of soap. So I'll do 2 pumps of, which is about 2 ounces of whatever snow foam right now, and then I do about 1 ounce of Carpo Reset, as my car is ceramic coated. Carpo Reset rejuvenates your chemical or your ceramic coating properties. And I fill it up with hot water. I always fill it up to 100 milliliters, and I always have extra left over to spray into my bucket when I'm done. It allows me to do full-size vehicles, including we have a big SUV here and a truck, so this is perfect for that. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'll show you guys. Once again, stainless steel all around, so it doesn't rust. Really high-end build quality. I've dropped this thing many times and it withstands all the drops and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill it up with 2 pumps of the Chemical Guys Snow Foam and then 1 pump of Carpo Reset, and fill it up with hot water. The trick is to fill it up with hot water, and then I'll put it to the quick disconnect MTM MTM gun. This is the stainless steel gun, and the MTM wand. You can pick those guys up too. The 10% works on anything on the MTM Hydros website. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and fill it up with this solution and start washing my car and show you guys how it works. All right guys, so I have the MTM foam cannon filled with Chemical Guys Snow Foam and Carpro Reset. It is turned all the way up on the top there. It is at the max length or whatever. Also, I'm using a Karcher 1700. This is 1.2 gallons per minute. If you have a so with foam cannons, the more foam is always equated to the more gallons per minute. So higher GPM, like a 2.0 GPM or 3.0 GPM, you'll get a significantly more amount of foam. So your results may vary depending on what pressure washer you use. So someone that's using a 2.0 gallons per minute pressure washer will get more foam than I get with my 1.2 gallon per minute pressure washer. Yeah, so the PSI doesn't matter in this regards. It's all about the gallons per minute. So I'm going to go ahead and spray down the side of this GT350R. This is my GT350R. And yeah, so here it is. All right, so you guys see it's been a couple seconds since I sprayed this side of the car, and what this foam cannon does a great job of, watch this line. You can see how it takes a long time for the actual soap to float past that line. So this foam cannon does a great job at keeping the foam in the soapy solution on the vehicle. I've tested a lot of foam cannons. Some foam cannons have thicker foam, some foam cannons have less foam. What I've noticed about the MTM is that the foam stays on the car. Why this is great is it allows you more time to get your mitt out and wipe down the side of your car. So, you know, it's not the thickest foam, it's not the less foam, but what's most important is the foam stays on the car. You can see some of the lines still there. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wash this side of my car down. I don't want the soap to stay on for too long, but yeah, that's pretty much everything. If you guys want to pick up the MTM, any of the MTM products at mtmhydroparts.com, I believe. Link will be in the description below. PICKY10 will get you 10% off anything at the MTM Hydro's store. Yeah, if you have any questions at all, you want me to compare this foam cannon to another foam cannon, leave a comment below. I'm happy to answer any of your guys' questions, concerns. Yeah, it's a great foam cannon. I've had it for years. I've gifted it to a lot of my friends and family members. A lot of their parts, you can count on the reliability of the parts and that they're going to last for a lifetime. Thank you so much for checking out the channel. Please leave a comment if you have any questions and stay tuned for more videos.